Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to try a 3D flower on a 25 by 25 centimeter canvas board. It's on my spinner already and I'm just going to mark the center with a piece of string so I know where to pour. And I'm going to use my Ikea colors. So let's just start doing some puddles and see where we go. Let's pull in. Let's add just a little bit more of the white. And let's give this a spin. Okay, I'm happy with it. Just going to let's give it a quick torch. So this was a fun little technique. I really liked it. So let's see how this one is going to dry. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.